Tutiana nange wa isuni kana Minista muviani wa maundu manthi syanza Dr. Alfred Mutua niweyumilya Kwitetea Kukon'Ya Mauvoo ala methiitwe mainyaiikw'a kana nunakengie Enenthi Yiulu wa myanya ya Mawia kuya nthi ya Canada. Mutua avika mbee wa nzama ya mbunge ya miao na balawaweta utumani wa nthi ya Canada wa mulungalu kana makundi mana ma kutwaa Enenthi mawiani manza nimo mailite kueka kwelelucha mwenenthi wa Kenya indi Minista Mwaka ni mwandiki witwa Mauvoo.
Minista muviani wa maundu manthi syanza Dr. Alfred Mutua niweyumilya Enenthi kana muvango wa serikali ya Kenya kumanthia amuika myana Mawia nthi ya Canada wivo na uendeene sa na omituku mbee wa myana milioni 1 ya Mawia ila yetele athukumi kuya Canada ni kukwata ene.
I went to Canada, had wonderful meetings in terms of opening our trade, signing deals and also getting jobs. Canada approximately has about 1 million opportunities with very few people who can work there. And unlike other countries, you can work in Canada from, being a barrister, being a waitress, all the way to being a driver, all the way to serving in a law firm or being a doctor. But it depends on where. So we agreed, and now we are finalizing on the numbers for Kenyans who can go some areas, and we'll be giving announcement.
Mutua niwaweta utumani wa nthi ya Canada chumwani kivitu ula unalivotiitwe muno ta umukoneche we unai wa makundi mana malusani ala methiitwe maitwa Enenthi mawiani manthi syanza ala ukuweta nimo manakana wa maeke Kukenga mwenenthi kana kwina myana Mawia nthesu uvathukanu na wiwano la serikali ya Kenya omituki nandikaniye na nthi ya Canada.
We have agencies that have been lying to Kenyans, saying, oh, we have jobs for you in this country, and they are lying that they have jobs for Kenyans in Canada, you need to apply. And they're basically swindling people. So when I was in Canada, this issue came up, and we agreed that I'm going to issue a statement saying we met, and that we need to warn Kenyans, and they are going to issue a statement the same. So they waited for me to issue my statement, where part of my statement gave a warning to Kenyans to avoid these agencies and to only deal with what Kenyan government and Canadian government issue. And after they saw my statement, just as we had promised, they issued a statement saying, yes, all those you seeing jobs being advertised, you can come to Canada, they are all fake. It's a warning. The same warning that I was giving. They are not talking about my bilateral. They were talking about those fake agencies, and we had agreed. I issue a statement, they issue a statement.
Niwakulya numbasya unaicha Mauvoo ikwatianie na serikali kwa vakuve muvango ni vandu vakunaicha Mauvoo makwelelucha wala wathingila serikali ya Kenya kwanza hiisa kwelelukwa uthukumini wayo ni Mauvoo matema kuikika.
The Canadians called me, they couldn't believe. They said, what's wrong with Kenyan media? This is not what we're talking about. And they even issued a full statement saying that we had actually met and this is what we discussed and everything, which was totally ignored by our media, and they took a small tweet which was referring to a specific issue and ran to town with it. And as you know, as they say that propaganda will go around the world while the truth is still putting out its shoes. So I want to tell people we know what we are doing. Na mbele iko sawa for our people, and we'll be announcing shortly for opportunities.
Dr. Alfred Mutua wathingila kana ute na Mawia ni wati muno myana kauta ya mavundisyo ma kisomo yani scholarships nthi syanza no kana kuikithia kisomo na myana ivaluela ya kwatikana ni avikia kila mumanthigwa wina wikwacho wa kuendesya kisomo chake nthi syanza vatena ICA.
We will be publishing opportunities, especially even for scholarships. We want a child somewhere in Shamahoho whose father is not known, who is bright, who has no future, to be able to see a scholarship and apply to that embassy without knowing anybody, not even an MCA or even the local chief, and be given an opportunity to go and study because they deserve it.
Vilingi wa Mauvoo kuma vamusini wa Ilovi nye nitoa Benjamin na Mwaka.